Welcome to the Brighton Hove Chamber of Commerce Adventure Summit.
Welcome, one and all, to the Watertight Marketing Conference.
Are you ready for a mega weekend?
My name's Steve Bustin, and I'm going to be your host today.
We are delighted to have you all here today.
We want you all to go on an adventure.
I have seen some of the speakers, I've seen some of the slides, and you have got so much great stuff coming your way.
Because you're all experts, and the media are always on the lookout for experts. So I'm going to give you two tools that I think that you should check out. It's always a pleasure to introduce a friend onto a stage, and it's a particular pleasure to introduce this man because I know you're going to enjoy this.
There are drinks involved. All of a sudden, we're all newbies.
£1,000 down here, thank you, sir. Looking for 2,000. 2,000 at the back. Looking for £3,000 to the marketing plan.
The adventure's up to you. Where does it go next?
It's been my pleasure to Compere this afternoon. Thank you so much for your company. And we'll see you upstairs 5:30 for the